What is this called, please? I know it in Iranian, but I don't know in English. It's in Iranian we call this kalbas, right?
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Because every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. And in today's menu or list I've got for you, I know I've been doing it a lot. I've got what I'm making. I'm making you guys some sandwiches. It's that phase. I'm just going through. I'm feeling sandwiches, so I'm gonna make you another sandwich. It's gonna involve some sausages, some fried sausages, and these are. Let me show you what these are. Don't know. Does anyone know what these are called? These are sliced meat, sliced chicken. It's like salami, but it's not salami. It's, I don't know. What's the name of these? Anyone know? Comment below. Let me know what the name of these are. These are, yeah? Let me know. But before any of that, make sure you follow me on my Instagram at MosToosifar. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar as well. And enjoy the show. Okay, guys. So let me just adjust that. There we go. So here we have lime, tomatoes, sausages, pickle, mayonnaise, this meat that was sliced meat that I was telling you about. I don't know the name of it. If anyone can comment me below. What is this called, please? I know it in Iranian, but I don't know in English. It's in Iranian we call this kalbas, right? And I know you say looking around it might say the name. Obviously, where's the thing? But it's not written in English, so it doesn't help. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, heat this up. Where is it? Turn that on, right? Let it actually go slow, and then put a bit of oil in, right? You need to fry the sausages. So what you want to do, cut the sausages just down the middle, nice and easy, right? That is done. Clean hands, put them in. Mind your fingers, you don't want to cut your fingers or burn your hand like previously. And then, yeah, you just want to do that, really. That goes in. Oh, Bob's your uncle. Anyway, that doesn't matter, we can adjust that later. Right, moving on. Do the same thing with these. Chop them down the middle. The pickles. So you want, how many slices on each? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's fine. And these ones, I'm just gonna dice them sideways. These are for later. These are for like presentation. Okay. Just to make things look a little bit pretty and that. Just dice them finely, just like so. Oh, keep those separate. Tomatoes. Get rid of the bad stuff. Oh, where is it? Hurry up. Got all day for you. Let's turn it up. Right, what you would do, cut it down the middle, and just, there you go, just like so. It's a bit slippery because of the sausages, oily sausages, it's fine. There you go. There's that. Some of you like, oh, you cut the sausages in this and then you're cutting this all on top and you're not supposed to, blah, blah, blah. It's fine. It's all gonna go in your belly, gonna get mixed, it doesn't matter. Yeah. So, take that bit out as well. It's a bit long, that is. Right, this one, I'm just gonna do the same. To pause there for a sec. Slice it up nicely. Clean hands, guys, make sure. And now with the lime, all you simply want to do is cut that bit, get a nice bit down the middle. That bit and that bit you don't need. Just go right in the middle, right? Just like so. You want to get your plate, move this out of the way. Can you guys see that? Get your plate, get your pickle, just place it on the side like so, right? Get a few tomatoes, stick it down the side as well. Nothing fancy, just, you know, just so that the plate isn't empty. And then you want to stick some lime on either side. Done, that's it. You leave that, get this out of the way, don't need it. All you want to do now is wait for this to fry. Done. Come back in a minute and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Right guys, as you can see, our sausages are pretty much so done. Have a look at that, beautiful. Where's the camera? Oh, look at that, that is beautiful. Don't worry about the colours, it might look cringe and whatever around the sides, but it's fine, it's yummy, it's tasty, it's beautiful, it's good for you. Here's what we're going to do. You want to get your bread, these are thick slices, you will get 3 slices, right? Cover up the whole bread, as so, right? Where's the mayonnaise? Get the mayonnaise. Oh boy, we're coming to an end with our lovely mayonnaise. That's that. I'm going to turn that off because we don't need it to burn any more than it already is. And what you want to do now is, where is it? Rest of this. Let me leave this where? Here. Okay. What you want to do is get a few sausages. Place them. Look at that. In doubles. Alright? If you can. Get that as well. Look at that. Right, it's a bit oily, so it's not the most healthiest thing. I've got to say. All you would do is put 3 slices, 3 of each. Put 2 there. And that. You don't want to fill it up too much because it's going to be overload. Then what you want to do is get 2 more of these slices. Oh, they're a bit flimsy, sorry. There's that, right? And now again, time for the mayonnaise. Just go this way, because, oh boy, listen to that. That's a soundtrack. Listen to that. Oh yeah. This is a remix. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Now, all you want to do is my knife. All you want to do is get it together, fold it over. Oh, make sure everything gets tucked in there nicely. You don't want anything to try and like spill out or run away. Just like that tomato right now is trying to. Squeeze it in, fold it over, cut it down the middle, mind your fingers. Oh, this is a blunt knife. It's terrible. That is terrible, that is. That plate that you just made, like so, and there is your wrap. Don't worry about my fingers, it's a little bit dirty. Just gonna clean it off. Need to wash the towel. And there is your nice little sandwich. You got the chicken, you got the chicken sausages, you got the chicken, I'm gonna call it sliced meat, chicken sliced meat. You got the sausages, sliced meat, tomatoes, pickle, and to wash it down, you got some lime. Bon appetit. See you in the next video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MosToosifar.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up